Good morning students. This is our session 10 with LibreWriter, and today we are going to learn about how can we create and manage tables in LibreWriter. Okay, so these are some of the topics that we will going to cover today in table. The very first topic is the creating a table. That means beta, how can we create a table? Basically, to create a table there is a separate menu here, table menu, and through which you can insert table. Here this is the first option, this is insert table, that has the shortcut key Control plus F12. You can just click here. Okay, so these are some of the styles already given as a template. You can choose them also like this. Okay, or if you don't want this, if you want to create your own table, then just go to this insert table again and just have just give how many columns, how many rows you want. Supposingly you want 3 columns and you want 5 rows initially in your table, then just give it and okay, insert karo. Okay, so here you can see there in this table there are 3 columns now and there are 5 rows. To give the contents in the table like roll number, when you put value in one cell and you want to come another cell, then just press tab key beta, only press tab key and you will just move to the next cell. Okay, then name, press tab. Okay, then marks like this, then press tab, it will come to another cell. Okay, so this is how you can move in this table. Then inserting rows and columns. How can we insert rows and columns? Supposingly here I write like Anu and marks is 56, and now I want a row between this roll number and roll number heading and this 12. मतलब मुझे इन दोनों के बीच में एक row चाहिए. Then I just click here. Okay, my cursor is on the second row and I just, here you can see these are some of the options related to the table. You can select options from there and you can select from this menu also. Okay, that is up to you, आपको कहाँ से select करना है. Then I just, here you can see rows above, this is the option called rows above. You just click on this option and you can find that a blank row is now opened above this row. Okay, if there is another record like 13 and Hari and marks are 89, and if you want to have a row between them like below this row, then you can just press rows below and you can find there is a row, there is a blank row below this row. Then if you want a column between this roll number and name, you can just click here and just press column before. Here you can see a blank column has been inserted, and if you want a column between name and marks after marks, then you can just press the column after. Okay, so this is how you can insert rows and columns. Then how can you delete rows and columns? Basically beta, if you want suppose these 2 rows you want to delete, just select any cell. I selected these 2 cells, that means ये दोनों rows अगर मुझे delete करनी है, I just select delete selected rows and it will delete all the rows. And if I just press undo, it will come back, you know, Control Z I pressed. And if I just want to delete, इसी तरीके से मुझे columns delete करने, suppose this column, okay, here cursor is in my this column, then if I press delete selected column, it will delete the selected column. Okay, then if you want to delete the whole table, then just click anywhere in this table and delete table. The whole table was gone now. Okay, then I just press Ctrl Z to get back this table to explain you more options. Now beta, how can we split and merge cell? Split and merge cell means what? Supposingly if here is, this is the marks heading and there are 3 subjects and I want to just split these cell into 3 cell. Okay, so just I go to this here you can see the split cell. Okay, so when I click this split cell, you can see split cell into, मैंने कहा मुझे 3 सेल्स में डिवाइड करना है. कैसे करना है? हॉरिजॉन्टली, इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में, वर्टिकली. मैंने कहा मुझे वर्टिकली करना है. ओके, you can see here now I can write like M1, M2, M3. बिकॉज ये तीनों में क्या हो गया है, 3 सेल्स में स्प्लिट हो गया। अगर मुझे वापस से इनको मर्ज करना है, जस्ट सेलेक्ट दैम ऑल एंड अगेन प्रेस मर्ज सेल। ये अगेन सारे के सारे क्या हो गए, मर्ज हो गए एक ही सेल के अंदर। एंड इसी तरीके से एक टॉपिक आता है बेटा, हाउ कैन वी स्प्लिट एंड मर्ज टेबल्स। टेबल को कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे, लाइक सपोजिंगली मेरे को यहाँ से अपनी टेबल को स्प्लिट करना है, ठीक है। आई जस्ट प्रेस स्प्लिट टेबल एंड आई सेट कॉपी हेडिंग की जो हेडिंग्स हैं, रोल नंबर, नेम एंड मार्क्स, वो जो मेरी टेबल अलग होगी वो उसमें भी आए। देन देखो यहाँ से टेबल, नाउ 2 tables आर मेड and having same rows or having same headings, okay, and how can we merge them supposingly, ठीक है। So I just okay, so now to merge this table, just delete this paragraph between these 2 tables and you have to press the delete key and not the backspace. I press the delete key and the space between these 2 tables now are removed, but still they are not merged, okay, because if I will select this table, it will select only, see, this table, not this table. That means they are not now merged. So to merge them, just select any cell, like this cell I select, any cell you can select, okay, and then just go to this table and click merge tables. And when now I will select table, you can see now this will become the whole table, okay. So that is how you can merge the table. Then how can you delete a table? Delete a table, just select the whole table, okay, go to select and table, and then you can just delete and table. The table is now deleted, ठीक है, okay. Then the next topic is how can you copying and moving a table. Then if you want to copy this table, then just select this table, okay, and then just press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. And just like if you want to moving this table, not copying, then again select this table and just press cut or Ctrl X here to cut it and Ctrl V to paste it. So beta, these are some of the options you can select on this tables option table menu, and that is all about this topic. Thank you.